Kuom higa mar 2 moluwore, jopuonjre ma nyiri otimo maber e penj maduong' mar KCSE kipimo gi jopuonjre ma yawuoyi. E kauntis 10 nomedo bedo kod kwan mamalo ma jopuonjre ma yawuoyi kipimo gi mago ma nyiri, ka kauntis 14 nobedo kod kwan ma jopuonjre ma nyiri mathoth kipimo gi japuonjre ma chuo. Kata kamano, kauntis 23 nobedo gi kwan manyalo romore mag jopuonjre ma yawuoyi kod mago ma nyiri.
Of the 993,226 candidates who sat the 2025 KCSE examinations, 492,012 were male, while 501,214 were female, representing 49.54% and 50.46% of the total candidature, respectively. This is the second year in a row since inception of the KCSE examinations that female candidates are more than male candidates. Female candidates recorded better mean score performance than male candidates in the following 6 subjects, that is English, Kiswahili, Kenya Sign Language, Home Science, CRE, and Arts and Design. Male candidates recorded better mean score performance than female candidates in 11 subjects, namely mathematics, alternatives A and B, biology and biology for the blind, chemistry, general science, history and government, geography, IRE, building and construction, and business studies. The performance of male candidates was comparable to their female counterparts in the following 7 subjects: physics, agriculture, computer studies, French, German, Arabic, and music. The number of female candidates registered in the following 5 subjects was too small to allow for a meaningful comparison of performance with their male counterparts, that is metalwork, power mechanics, electricity, drawing and design, and aviation technology.
E duoko mar penj maduong' mar KCSE ma higa ni, kidienje mag somo 10